I know the Samsung Galaxy S24 series devices are months away from launch, but we do have some interesting news, so let's get right into it. First off are the cameras of the S24 Ultra. We've got some reports suggesting that we could be getting a 10x variable telephoto camera just like some DSLR. Samsung will be dropping the 3x lens for a single 10x variable zoom. You see, the current device, which is the S23 Ultra, gets you a 10x and a 3x zoom, which are impressive, but usually this means anything in between, say 4x or 6x, isn't as crisp as 10x and 3x, because that will just be digital zoom based on software. I'm pretty ready to see how Samsung implements the variable telephoto camera functionality. If they pull it off, it will be an incredible feat in mobile photography. Still on cameras, a feature from the S9 Plus is said to be making a comeback. Enter variable aperture. According to rumors, Samsung might be bringing a variable aperture of f1.4 and f4.0. This isn't unheard of, and I think Samsung is pretty capable of getting it done pretty well. In fact, the newly released Xiaomi 13 Ultra also does have a variable aperture, so probably that's where the industry may be moving towards. This should improve night photography pretty well, and I'm hoping the rumors are true. For the screens, we all know Samsung dominates in this category, and we should be expecting similar screens to the S23 with probably higher nits of brightness, but there is rumor of a 144Hz refresh rate for the Samsung S24 devices. Unfortunately, we do have some bad news though. Exynos is lingering around the corner. This year, the S23 series devices spotted a special overclocked version of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for all models worldwide, which was pretty amazing in terms of GPU performance and efficiency. But new reports coming in from Business Korea and TrendForce suggest that the MX division is working on an Exynos 2400 for use in the S24 lineup. Why in the world would Samsung be doing this, you might be wondering. First off, Samsung doesn't care about your feelings. Their aim is to make profit, and using two different chips all these years gave them the purchasing power, aka it's got them better deals when purchasing Snapdragon chipsets. For information, they didn't get that for the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for the S23 series. In fact, it cost them almost 77% more this year, as Qualcomm has the upper hand. Thankfully, in that same report, it's reported the Exynos 2400 has some serious heating issues, and this could be good news as Samsung just might not be able to use it. So guys, that's pretty much all for now. What are your thoughts on the variable zoom and the Exynos 2400? Let me know of your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll be back when I find something new.